welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a review on some Amazon false eyelashes. So I picked two different kinds. One is by the brand Arimika and it looks like this. And Arimika is a brand that you will often see on Canadian Amazon being recommended. For one of these, it's $9.98 Canadian, so that's pretty affordable. And then I also went ahead and picked up an entire set, and I'll link these all below. And this is another set that I found. These ones are $4.59, but it has $5.59 Canadian shipping, so pretty much the same price. So like $9-ish for just one, or $9-ish for an entire pack of 5 pairs. And here is a side-by-side so you guys can see the difference between the two. I also decided to keep my makeup very neutral for you guys today so you can see how it looked like with just like a simple liner. I have them both on now, and I'm just going to show you one eye at a time just so you guys can get the sense. So this is the very first one. This is the one that was lighter and not as dense. And then this is how the other one looks like. This is the Arimika one, and it's the one that's darker, denser, and bolder. And now to see them together. So as you can tell from looking at these lashes together, they're both kind of the same length. Like they're both super long. This one right here is definitely a little longer in length, and the lashes are a little bit messier, versus this one, it's a lot more unified and it just looks more like you have eyeliner on. Personally, I don't really have a specific preference. I feel like you can wear them both for different occasions. Like this one is really great for if you're trying to take pictures for Instagram, if you're going clubbing, if you're going to a rave. And then this one's more like, oh, if you're going on a brunch, a picnic date with someone, more like a daytime look, because this one you can't tell as clearly in pictures. And I'll insert a photo right here so you guys can see how it looks like when I take a picture. When I put them both on, initially I was kind of shocked. It was like, holy cow, this is really long. I mean, I have an Asian eye and I had to kind of cut both of them to kind of fit my eye a little bit better, but even then it still looks a little bit too long for my eye. But then I realized after putting on some mascara on my tiny little dainty bottom lashes, it did kind of balance out the craziness of my long eyelashes. Alright, this is the lighter pair with both of them on. Here is the Arimika ones together as a set. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my overall review of the lashes. I think for this kind of a price point, I think it's pretty worth it. The lash band itself, this one right here is quite thin, so it's quite easy to manipulate and it's pretty comfortable. This one is slightly thicker, but it's still also very flexible. It can form to the shape of your eye. I didn't have any issues putting them on or anything like that. As for the quality of the lashes, this one of course outweighs the quality of this one, because this one, it kind of like curls and like points in like weird directions. As for the length of them, this length for me, in my opinion, it's a little bit too long for my eye still for like everyday wear. It's good for pictures, but in person they feel like a little bit big. It just makes me look kind of ridiculous, you know? Like I'm thinking like Cruella de Vil with her like long freaky like 3 lashes. Like that's the vibe I'm kind of getting from these lashes right now when I'm wearing it like this. Sometimes I look at it and I'm like, okay, it's not that bad, and then I look at it again and I'm like, okay, that's really long. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'd like to know what you guys think about these lashes. That pretty much concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also don't forget to like this video, comment below, and of course subscribe to this channel. Bye!